Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is my mower. It's the ZT34. It is the Gravely. And I noticed something really weird today when I was driving, actually the past week since I've been driving it. It just started doing this really weird. So I usually keep my foot right here while I'm driving. And each time I turn, it feels like you can feel like something moving underneath your foot. And the other problem is when I'm mowing forward, it cuts perfect. Everything's good. When I mow backwards, it's scalping the yards up. Okay, and then I figured out what it's doing, and if you're having the same issue, this might help you out. But this isn't gonna be good. Here's the issue right here. The actual frame is starting to come apart. On this side, and on this side. Maybe this is a common issue with these mowers, for the frame to split like that. I'm gonna try to get a video of what it's doing, but when you go forward, it's fine. This split right here is perfectly connected. Like, you can't see the hole, the opening. But when you back up, when the wheels turn position, it starts pulling on this front, and that's what makes it split like that. And then, like I said, since your frame is like slanted now, it's pushing the deck down, and that's what's causing to scalp the yards when you back up. I don't know if anybody has a mower like this or any type of Gravely mower. Leave in the comments if your frame ever came apart. I figured this was a solid built mower. Oh, that's just great. Yeah, you can see it right here too. Let me try to zoom in here for you. Here's another split. So it's here and here. Let me see. Yep, same on the other side. A whole nother split. So now, see, I was thinking, I can just weld that front together on both sides. But I don't even know about this now. I don't know if this comes apart, but it's gonna be hard to get, weld in there if it's like that. But I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna try to get on video like what it's actually doing when you back up.